Welcome back to Reviews Heaven. If you're a baking enthusiast or just love whipping up delicious treats, today's video is for you. We're diving into the top 5 best stand mixers that will make your kitchen adventures easier, faster, and way more fun. From compact designs to powerful motors, these mixers are perfect for everything from fluffy meringues to hearty bread dough. Whether you're a pro baker or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. Make sure to stick around till the end, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below for you to check out. Let's get mixing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. KitchenAid Classic Series Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt-head stand mixer isn't just a kitchen gadget. It's your new best friend in the kitchen. With its sturdy metal body and classy onyx black finish, it's as stylish as it is reliable. And with 10 speeds, it can handle anything from gentle stirring to whipping cream into fluffy clouds. Its 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl is a game changer. Imagine making 8 dozen cookies in one go. Yes, 8 dozen. That's enough to host a party or stockpile snacks for a cookie apocalypse. And when the fun is over, just toss the bowl in the dishwasher. Clean up? Done. The tilt head design is pure genius. Adding ingredients mid-mix feels like a smooth dance, not a wrestling match. Plus, with 59 touch points, it ensures every bit of batter gets the love it deserves. No lonely lumps left behind. Want more? The Power Hub transforms this mixer into a multitasking marvel. Pasta, veggie noodles, burgers, even ice cream. It can do it all with optional attachments. It's like having a personal chef, minus the chatter about their weekend plans. What do you think? Number 2. VIVOHOME Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The VIVOHOME stand mixer is like having a superhero in your kitchen, but in a sleek red outfit. With its mighty 660W motor and 10-speed control, it can handle anything from whipping cream to kneading dough tougher than your morning workout. Plus, it's so quiet, you'll wonder if it's actually working. Spoiler. It is. Its 6-quart stainless steel bowl is a lifesaver for big batches. Whether you're baking for a family reunion or just really love cookies, this bowl has got you covered. Thanks to its sturdy base and suction cups, it won't dance across the counter while mixing. And yes, it even has a handle, because carrying a full bowl without one? That's a recipe for disaster. The mixer comes with 4 trusty sidekicks: a whisk, a dough hook, a mixing beater, and an egg separator. From fluffy waffles to perfect pastries, these tools have your back. Just remember, no dishwasher spa days for them. Hand washing only. With its tilt head design and splash-proof shield, adding ingredients feels like a breeze, not a battle. And let's not forget its bold red finish. This mixer doesn't just work hard. It looks good doing it. Perfect for gifting or just treating yourself, because why not? Number 3. Aucma Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The Aucma stand mixer is like the kitchen assistant you've always dreamed of. Powerful, stylish, and it doesn't complain. With a 660W pure copper motor and 6-speed control, it can whip cream, mix batter, or knead dough without breaking a sweat. And at less than or equal to 76 dB, it's quieter than your blender having a bad day. The 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl is a baker's dream. Whether you're prepping a mountain of muffins or a loaf of bread for the family, this bowl has room for it all. Dual handles make it easy to maneuver, and the tilt head design lets you swap out attachments without wrestling with the mixer. Speaking of attachments, it comes with 3 trusty tools: a whisk for airy magic, a dough hook for bread, and a beater for everything in between. The splash guard even has an access hatch, so you can add ingredients without turning your kitchen into a flour explosion. And let's talk style. With its stainless steel accents and cool blue LED power indicator, this mixer is as chic as it is functional. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook, or just loves having shiny gadgets on their counter. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer is like the Swiss Army knife of mixers, versatile, reliable, and surprisingly compact. This 2-in-1 marvel transforms from a stand mixer to a hand mixer faster than you can say cookie dough. With 290 watts of peak power and 6 speeds, it handles everything from fluffy frostings to stubborn bread dough like a champ. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl is a sweet spot for most recipes. Need to mix things up? The shift and stir lever moves the bowl side to side for even mixing, and the bowl rest stabilizer keeps it steady. No more runaway bowls during your baking adventures. With 5 attachments, beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, you're equipped for all your culinary experiments. And since they're dishwasher safe, cleanup is easier than convincing yourself not to eat the batter. The quick burst button? It's like a turbo boost for your mixer when things get tough. Wrapped in a sleek black and stainless finish, this mixer doesn't just work hard. It looks good doing it. Perfect for bakers who love versatility but hate clutter. It's a win-win. Number 5. Dash 6-speed electric stand mixer. The Dash stand mixer is proof that good things really do come in small packages. At less than 5 pounds and standing just over 10 inches tall, it's like the tiny dancer of mixers, graceful, compact, and ready to perform. Perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or your first apartment. It's a space-saving hero with a 250-watt motor that means business. The 3-quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for everyday recipes. Whether you're whipping up pancake batter or preparing dough for cookies you totally didn't buy at the store. And thanks to the fully tilting motor head, swapping out attachments or removing the bowl is as smooth as your frosting will be. No mess, no stress. With 6 speed options, this mixer can handle anything from delicate meringues to thick doughs. It even comes with dough hooks, beaters, and access to a recipe database, so you'll never run out of ideas or excuses to bake. And let's talk about that Aucma finish. It's retro, trendy, and an instant kitchen upgrade. Whether you're gifting it or keeping it, this mixer makes baking fun, functional, and fabulously stylish. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. We hope our roundup of the top 5 best stand mixers helped you find your perfect kitchen companion. If you're ready to upgrade your baking game, check out the product links in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy mixing!